Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Ulta credit card. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your web browser. Then in the address bar, type in d.community.net/ac/Ulta Rewards Mastercard. Once you type in this address correctly, then press the enter button. This will take you into the Ulta website. Now from this website, click on the apply button at the top section. You might be asked for a verification, so go ahead and make sure to verify your identity. Now go ahead and click on activate card at the top section. You will now be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your credit card account number. Now enter your expiration date. Then select your identification method. You can either choose your social security number, your social insurance number, or your alternate identification number. Choose either one of those and then enter the last 4 digits of that particular number. Finally, enter your zip code or your postal code. Then click on the continue button. And that is how you can activate your Utamate credit card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.